can sometimes be a bit tight, jiggling off. We can now lay the prop to one side, out your way. With the front of the prop shaft removed, we can now remove the handbrake drum retaining screw. This just holds it in place when the prop's removed. It's just a bit of safety thing so it doesn't drop on your head. Take the screw out, and with a gentle tap around the drum, just to loosen off. Now, as you lift the drum off, be careful, as there might be some dust particles. I've got a dust mask on that's going to stop any chance of me breathing anything in that's a bit untowards. Luckily, most brake linings nowadays are non-asbestos, but we don't want to breathe in anything we shouldn't be. And there we have, with the drum off, you can now see the handbrake shoe assembly. Okay, in the second pin. Pass it through the back plate. And onto the shoe. And the same thing again. Okay, the spring. And push and twist. That's the shoe retainers. If the brake drum had been contaminated with oil, it would need cleaning, checking for wear before refitting. We locate the drum with a locating screw in only one position. So you can marry the flange and the drum. Having changed the output seal, all we need to do is to remove the transmission filler plug and add the correct grade of transmission fluid until it just starts to dribble out.